Hello, my friend. There are moments when we wonder whether life is worth it. It seems so full of banality and triviality and duties and chores and difficulties. But then you take yourself outside and you find yourself in the middle of nature and you realize that perhaps we should be showing a little bit more humility about judging life. Perhaps we should take more time to remind ourselves what it is all about and listen to the birds and look at the trees and smell the fragrance of nature, because it holds us and it guides us and it makes everything a great deal better. So whenever you are in doubt and things look petty and horrible and difficult, just take a break. No matter what, take a break and take yourself out there and do what you need to do. With your dog, if you can. That's what I do. Take care, my friend. Be well.